Join me in my kitchen, guys. Let's prepare together. Hello fans, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Lady P Naija TV. Okay guys, guess what guys, today I am going to be preparing Nigeria party jollof rice. Okay guys, very special one. Stay tuned guys while I introduce you my ingredients. Also I will be cooking. Here is my rice. So this one is my red bell pepper and my onions. Here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I also have some fresh tomatoes and the last onions. Also guys, this is my sachet tomatoes too. So guys, this is my meat. I have a chicken, also I have turkey, I also have some beef. So guys, in here I have my 4 Maggi cube. I have curry, that's my ginger. I have paprika, I have thyme. Also in here I have my fresh garlic. Also that's my fresh ginger. I have a bay leaf. This is my crayfish. That's my fresh rosemary. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. Lest I forget guys, are you coming across my video for the first time? Guys, please guys, subscribe to your... So guys, I have my meat in the pot already. I'm just going to add the seasonings to boil. First I have my curry. So now I will add my 2 seasonings. So I'm going to add in my salt. So I will be adding some thyme. Ginger powder. This is my fresh rosemary. So I will be adding some bay leaf. So now I will be adding my sliced onions. So guys, now I'm going to add my boiled meat. So guys, I have my pot in the fire already. Now I'm going to be transferring the vegetable oil inside the pot, the one I used to fry the meat. Okay guys, stay tuned. So now I will be making the stew for the jollof rice. I add in my oil already. Now I just add in the onions and I will allow it to fry a little bit. So I just added some salt to fry the onions. Now I will be adding my tomatoes. I just give it a good stir. So I just add in some paprika. Also I will be adding some thyme. Add some bay leaf. That's my 2 seasoning cube. Now I will be adding some fresh rosemary leaf. I just added some ginger powder. That's curry. Then I will give it a good stir. So I just cover it to cook. So guys, my stew is well cooked already. Now I will be adding my parboiled rice. I just add in my parboiled rice. I wash it out of camera. Now I'm going to give it a good stir. Just give it a good stir guys. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. So I just cover it. I will be back. So now I will be adding my meat stock guys. Then I will give it a good stir. And just give it a good stir. Now I'm going to cover it to cook. I will be back guys. Stay tuned. So guys, let's check on the jollof rice. Wow, it seems nice guys. This is the last part of my jollof rice. Now I'm going to add in my sliced onions. I just add in my onions guys to garnish the food. Now I'm going to give it a good stir. I will just stir it together. I just stir it together now guys. So guys, now I'm going to add in some butter. I just add in my butter. I was supposed to add this butter before the onions to garnish it. I forgot, so now I will just add in the butter. I just add in the butter, guys. Now I will just stir a little bit. So now I will just cover it for 2 minutes. So I will just give it the last stir, guys. It scents so nice, guys, so tasty. Thanks for watching, guys. So guys, I'm done. This is the final look. It looks so yummy, guys, so inviting. Thanks for watching. I love you all, guys. Please do subscribe for your girl. Okay guys, on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, bye. I love you all.